Check this out. Strange sounds in the daytime. Seem to be annoying the cool dog. I don't know what that was. Maybe it'll do it again. Come on, do it again, guys. That's the problem. When you're trying to catch evidence of weirdness, it'll do it once, you'll start a camera, and then you'll delete the video because it hardly ever does it again. Hey, cool dog, if you barked a little bit, it might help. Well, wait a minute. You're just gonna ignore me, right? Okay. Because that's what you do. Is it up in the sky? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it Bigfoot? Oh. Did that pick up? Did you hear that? I think it's just too far away. I bet that don't pick up. Okay, I guess that's a wrap. Thanks for coming, guys. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for that cool dog. Plug over.